Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial session for AXIOM. Today, we will be discussing how to use our new platform. Step 1. When you first get to the AXIOM welcome screen, you just need to click the Next button. Step 2. Since AXIOM is a passwordless secure platform, you just need to enter your phone number on the login screen. Step 3. You'll get an automated 6-digit secure code text to your phone. Just enter the code, and you will be brought to the onboarding screen of AXIOM. Step 4. Select your subscription level. This does not matter during beta, all accounts are set to Professional Agent. Step 5. Once you select your subscription, you will get the thumbs up that all went well. Just click Next. Step 6. The next screen you will be brought to is the Agent Lobby. The Agent Lobby is set up to show the most important information for the agent. It is a living lobby, which means it is connected to the agent's data and automatically updates with the most important information and content each day. Step 7. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see a hamburger menu. This menu will help you get around inside of AXIOM. Step 8. Next to the hamburger menu in the upper right corner, you will see a little bug icon. You can click that icon to send the beta team any issues you encounter or ideas you may have during your testing. That's it. These simple steps should have provided an overview of how easy it is to log into our new platform. If anyone has any questions or concerns regarding these steps, please feel free to send us an email. Thank you for attending this training session for AXIOM.